Hi traders, Mandy here. Guess what? It's 11 o'clock at night and I'm in the gym. It's a big thing because I actually didn't feel like going to the gym. I felt like laying in bed and watching Netflix and just lazing around. But hey, I'm here. And I want to share with you how I managed to inspire myself, to motivate myself, to be disciplined and do what I say I do rather than doing what I felt like doing. So in Tony Robbins' teachings, there's two ways of motivation. One is moving towards to motivation, the other one is moving away from motivation. Now, I'm naturally a moving away from motivated person, meaning I would say to myself, I don't want to be fat, I don't want to be sick, I don't want to lose money. Whereas moving towards to motivation means I want to be fit, I want to be healthy, I want to make a lot of money. And you know, in my experience, there is no right or wrong. You just need to honor how you naturally think and how you naturally operate. And so I use my natural way of moving away from motivated to be disciplined and do what I need to do. In the past, for example, I would always say, I just do it tomorrow. What I say to myself today is, after I said, I just go tomorrow, I do it tomorrow, I say tomorrow doesn't exist. Because if COVID has taught us one thing, is that the future is always uncertain. Yeah, we don't know what tomorrow brings. And I remember there were times when I said, I just go to the gym tomorrow, and then I would get up in the morning and hurt my back and couldn't go, or I would hurt my foot and I couldn't go. And I would really regret that I didn't go to the gym at that time. Another really big motivator, which is a little bit morbid, but hey, it's just the reality of life, is when my father was sick. My father was always very active. He loved running in the forest and playing tennis, so he did a lot of sports. And when he got too sick to do sports, and he really missed it, he regretted it, he was so sad. And I remember I drove him through the forest with a car, but you know, it's just not the same. And so I remind myself that one day I will be too old, too frail, maybe injured, who knows, right? To do sports or to do all the things that I want to do. And that just really motivates me. I just do it then because I tap into my love for what I do. So whatever strategy you're using, being motivated away from or motivated towards to, it's very difficult for a German to say, you know. We say, I want vodka, not I want vodka. Come on. So yeah, whatever motivates you, use that to tap into your passion. And there's things in life that we don't need to be inspired for. Right? For example, my friend always said, oh, you're so disciplined, you always go to yoga. And I'm like, I love yoga so much, nothing can stop me from going to yoga. Or same with trading, you know, when people say you're behind the computer all day, it's like, I love it so much. Nothing will stop me. And so if we learn to tap into our passion and to do what we say we are doing with our integrity, then we will achieve success. Because here's the thing, guys. If you are doing what you feel like doing and you are out of integrity, what happens? It will create doubt in your mind. So number one, you feel really bad about yourself. Then when you feel bad about yourself, you feel like you can't trust yourself. If you feel you can't trust yourself, you lose confidence in yourself that you do whatever it takes that is needed to succeed in trading. And so if you can't trust yourself, if you feel bad about yourself, like you are setting yourself up for failure. And in every moment, in every second, we have to choose what we do. Do we choose the battles that are worth fighting? Or do we choose the battles that we set ourselves up to lose? I personally want to choose the battles that are worth fighting. So I hope that inspired you a little and helps you to tap into being disciplined and passionate about what you do as well. I better go and work out so that I can go back to bed and maybe have a sneak peek at the US market, which opens at 1:30 in the morning here. But yeah, let's see. Have a wonderful day trading. Bye.